Hi, my name is Anthony Parkinson from Ansell Lighting, and this is the Z-LED Eco. The Z-LED Eco is a new addition to the Z-LED family and is an economical and durable high bay, suitable for multiple applications, including installation into garages, storage facilities and warehouses. Ideal for applications where LED upgrades are taking place. The Z-LED Eco is ideal for moving over to LED technology, being both an economical option and also able to provide energy and cost-saving benefits. The fitting is made from die-cast aluminium, is lightweight, slimmer and easy to install, pre-wired with 1 metre of rubber insulated cable. The Z-LED Eco has an IP65 and IK06 rating, ensuring it is both dust and watertight, as well as being able to withstand installation into harsh environments. The Z-LED Eco produces 120 lumens per watt, with an LED lifespan of L70 50,000 hours. And finally, it is available in either 4000 or 6500 Kelvin, allowing you to choose the most suitable colour temperature for the environment it is installed in.